Happy quiz number 3. Congrats, you've done all the lectures, you've made it through. Today's going to be quick on my end, just explaining the quiz for you guys. Okay, so after you take this 10-point quiz, you're done for the day. All right, this might be one of my favorite gifts of all time with the little shoulder shake. Today's quiz is over SMART goals, conflict resolution, and relationships. It's what we've done the last 3 days. They're kind of heavy topics, and there's a lot, so take your time with it. Make sure it's done by midnight, and you get 1 attempt. Okay, so watch this video, take the quiz, enjoy your night. Make sure you come back tomorrow for our last day of class. Quiz number 3 here. We have a fill in the blank. We've got some true false. We have some matching. True false, multiple choice, true false, short answer, multiple choice, short answer. Okay, so there's a good mix of all of it. Get it done. Have a good day.